Have you ever seen funny words or expressions in English, but you couldn't understand what they meant? Welcome to Everything English with John, the #1 place for YouTube English lessons. I'm John, and today we're going to study interesting vocabulary in English. Couch potato. Mark and Sarah are planning a trip together. They're not sure what they want to do. So, Sarah, have you thought about what we're going to do during the trip? Not really. I was thinking we could just relax and take it easy. What do you mean? We only have a few days to explore. We should make the most of it. I know, but I'm just not into hiking or doing anything too active. I'm more of a couch potato. But we can't just sit in the hotel room all day. We have to see the sights. I'm more excited for Netflix, room service, and comfortable beds. Quiz time! What does couch potato mean? Someone who eats potatoes? Someone who likes Netflix? Someone who is really lazy? Someone who likes hotels? Please pause the video and answer the question. That's right, it's C. Someone who is really lazy. Teaching moment. Sarah tells Mark that she's not into hiking or other activities, and she prefers to stay in the hotel room, watch TV, and eat. These are lazy activities, things you would do on your couch. In English, we call this person a couch potato. Examples. His brother is such a couch potato. He never leaves the house and spends all day playing video games. Her friend complains that she's a couch potato because she always cancels her plans and prefers to stay home instead. Ever since he lost his job, John has become a real couch potato, spending most of his days lounging on the sofa and watching TV. Vocabulary extras. Couch and sofa are the same. Couch is more common in America. To take it easy. To relax and not do much. I'm not into something. I'm not interested in something. To lounge. To relax or recline comfortably. Thanks for watching Everything English with John. Please like, share, and subscribe. For more information or private classes, please visit my site, everythingenglishwithjohn.com.